everyone. Welcome back to the session, guys. We welcome you all to WeCommerce for Better Future. Hi everyone. How are you all? कैसे हैं आप लोग? How are you all, guys? How's the Josh? Tell me, how's the Josh? I hope it is high as it is a recorded session, you all know. I hope that the Josh is high, guys. So, the chapter we are doing today. In this class, we will start a new chapter, Goodwill. Today, we will understand that what is goodwill, how to calculate it, everything about goodwill. So, let's start the session, guys. And before starting the session, if you guys haven't subscribed the channel yet, please take a moment to subscribe this channel, like this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to share it with your friends. Before starting the session, a very happy Bhaiya Dooj to everyone. To all the girls and boys out there, a very happy Bhaiya Dooj. So, we are doing the Goodwill chapter today, and if you also haven't joined the Telegram group yet, अगर अभी तक आपने Telegram group join नहीं किया है, तो guys go and join that and enjoy all the updates, notification and PDFs. Now, as you all know, this is our class 12th class. This is our class 12 class at 6 p.m. What we do class 12 accountancy. Now, this chapter name is Goodwill Valuation. The second chapter is Change in Profit Sharing Ratio. The third chapter maybe, now it is third chapter. It is Change in Profit Sharing Ratio. We have divided it in two parts. Goodwill and Change in Profit Sharing Ratio. So, now we will understand about goodwill, meaning of goodwill, and we will do average profit method. What is the meaning of goodwill? And we will do the average profit method of calculation of goodwill. How to calculate goodwill. So let's start the session and let's see that what we will learn in this session. आज की क्लास से हम लोग क्या सीखने वाले हैं? So these are the topics that you will learn in this session. आज की क्लास में हम ये topics सीखेंगे. Meaning of goodwill, valuation of goodwill, need for valuation of goodwill. क्यों जरूरत है? Why there is a need for valuation of goodwill? Classification of methods of valuation of goodwill. Classification of method, different methods used. Average profit method and weighted average profit method. So these are the topics that you will learn right in this session today. All the topics we will cover in this session. So stay tuned till the end of the session. Starting with the meaning of the goodwill. Tell me guys, what is goodwill? What do you think of goodwill? क्या है goodwill? So, goodwill is the name, the reputation of the business. What is goodwill? You can read this paragraph, but if you want to define in one word what is goodwill, it is the reputation. It is the name of the firm. It is the reputation. So, it is an intangible asset. You cannot see reputation of someone, of some business, of some person. We cannot see that. We can only hear it that this person, this organization is very good. It is very famous. The goodwill is very good. So we can just hear it. We cannot see it. We cannot touch it. So goodwill is an intangible asset which is not visible or cannot be touched. We cannot touch it. We cannot see it. But can be purchased and traded and is real. You can purchase the goodwill. You can trade it and it is real. It is an asset. It is something that exists. It is real, but we cannot see it. We cannot touch it. So it is a intangible asset. Now, The value of enterprise brand name. It is name. The value of that is known as goodwill. जो भी reputation की वो है value है. If Reliance is giving franchisee to someone, I don't know whether it is give franchisee to someone like McDonald's and Burger King give a franchisee to someone, so it's the value of their brand name. वो उनके brand name की value है, it's their goodwill. So goodwill is reputation, the value of brand name. Solid consumer base. They have a solid consumer base, a lot of customers. Functional customer association, good employee associations, and any patent or proprietary technology are the some instances of goodwill. These are the examples of goodwill. That good employee association, they have good employee association, they have good consumer base. So they are the examples of goodwill. Mainly what is goodwill? It is the reputation, it is the brand name, it is the name of the firm. जो गुडविल होती है वो बिजनेस का नाम होता है जो उसने सालों में कमाया है. Okay, like Reliance, there is a we have heard about Reliance that it's a very good company. Invest in the share of Reliance. So this is the goodwill of Reliance. It is the brand name, it is the reputation. Now we have learned about the meaning of goodwill, how to calculate the goodwill. हमें कैसे पता लगेगा कि reputation की value क्या है, brand name की value क्या है? So the valuation of goodwill is based on the assumption obtained by the valuer. It depends on the valuer that how he is doing the valuation. There are different methods. There are different methods for calculation of goodwill. So you can read this paragraph later. A successful business earns a reputation in the industry. A successful businessman earns the reputation in the industry. They develop trust with the clients and they develop more business link unlike the new companies because they have they have been in the market for a long time now. उनके market में बहुत ज़्यादा time हो गया, तो they have more customers, they have business link, so they have goodwill. Now the valuation of goodwill depends on the assumption of the valuer. कि जो valuer है जो calculate करेगा उसकी assumption क्या है, वो कैसे calculate कर रहा है. Now मैम जरूरत क्यों है? Why are we valuing this goodwill? Why are we doing the valuation? So there is a need for valuation at the 5 times. You need to do the valuation of goodwill at admission of partner, retirement or death of partner, when there is a change in profit sharing ratio, if the goodwill is sold at the time of dissolution or the firm is amalgamated with the another firm. So in this 5 cases, there is a need for valuation of goodwill. You have to calculate goodwill in all these 5 cases: admission, retirement or death, change in profit sharing ratio, if the goodwill is sold at the time of dissolution, and if the firm is amalgamated with the another firm. Amalgamated means the two firms get combined. They will do the business together. This is amalgamation when the firm is amalgamated with another firm. So in all the 5 cases, there is a need for valuation of goodwill. You have to calculate goodwill. ओके मैम, ये भी समझ आ गया, ये भी समझ में आ गया मैम. नीड फॉर वैल्यूएशन ऑफ गुडविल. व्हाट्स द नेक्स्ट? नाउ वी विल बी doing the classification of methods. How you can calculate the goodwill? What are the different methods of calculating goodwill? So what are the different methods of calculating goodwill? Let's see the different methods. There are 4 methods: average profit method, super profit method, capitalization of average profit method, and capitalization of super profit method. These are the four methods that we will use for the calculation of goodwill. Now it depends on the valuer, it depends on the company that which method it is preferring, it is using to calculate the goodwill. Okay, so there are total four methods: average profit, super profit, capitalization of average profit, and capitalization of super profits method. We will do each method and question for each method. हम सारे methods करेंगे and हर method का एक question भी करेंगे. So let's start with the very first method. पहले वाला method करते हैं. The very first method is average profit method. So under this method, the value of goodwill is calculated on the basis of number of past year profit. We will do the calculation on the basis of past year profit or the average profits. You will calculate the goodwill on the basis of average profits. Now, the formula of goodwill will be average profit multiplied with number of year of purchase. Average profits multiplied with number of year of purchase. Now, how we can find out average profit? First, you have to find out average profit. So, formula for average profit is total profits divided by total number of years. Total profits divided by total number of years. Let's suppose there are 3 years. There are 3 years and the profits are 10,000, 20,000 and 30,000. These are the profits. So total profits are 60,000. Total number of year are 3. So average profit will be equal to 20,000. 3 साल के profit है. टोटल प्रॉफिट्स कितने हैं 60,000. टोटल प्रॉफिट्स को डिवाइड कर देंगे टोटल नंबर ऑफ ईयर से. So you will get the average profit and average profit is 20,000. Now, what is number of year purchase? Number of year purchase means the number of year for which you will get the benefit of goodwill. Number of year for which you will get the benefit of goodwill. So this will be always given in the question. This will be always given in the question. So number of year purchase will be given in the question. It can be 2, 3, 4. Now multiply this average profits. Multiply this average profits with the number of year purchase. Average profits multiplied with number of year purchase, we will get the amount for goodwill. So this is average profit method for calculation of goodwill. First, find out the average profits by dividing the total profits by the number of years. Divide the total profits by the total number of years. You will get the average profits and multiply the average profits with the number of year purchase, and there is the answer, amount for goodwill. Now, let's do a question for this. Let's do a more question for this. X Limited agreed to purchase business of a sole trader. X is thinking of purchasing a business of sole trader. For that purpose, goodwill is to be valued at 3 years purchase. So this is given to you, 3 year purchase. Number of year purchase is equal to 3. And you have to multiply it with average profit of last 5 years. So goodwill is equal to goodwill is equal to average profit multiplied by number of year purchase. So number of year purchase is given to us 3. Now we will find out the average profits. So find out the average profits. First do the total of all the profits and divide it by total number of year. Total find out karo profits ka, then divide the total of profits by total number of year. So 1,16,000 divided by 5. Average profits are 23,200. Your average profits are 23,200. Now multiply the average profits with number of years purchased. 23,200 multiplied with 3. The goodwill is 69,600. This is the goodwill. This is the goodwill. So this is the question for average profit method. How you will calculate goodwill? हमें क्या करना है? एवरेज प्रॉफिट्स कैलकुलेट करने हैं. नंबर ऑफ ईयर परचेज गिवन होगा. मल्टीप्लाई एवरेज प्रॉफिट्स विद नंबर ऑफ ईयर परचेज एंड देयर इज द आंसर goodwill. So, is it clear guys? Is this method and question clear to everyone? सबको समझ में आया क्या? Okay, I hope that this is clear to you guys. Now, moving on to the second method, weighted average profit method. Now, weighted average profit method is a part of average profit method. Weighted average profit method is a part of average profit method. Now, what is this? How we will calculate goodwill according to this? This method is modified version of average profit method. This is a modified version. As the cars are modified, हम कार को modified कराते हैं, ऐसे ही हमने average profit method को भी क्या कर दिया? Modify कर दिया. As per this method, each year profit is assigned weight. According to this method, हम हर साल के profit को एक weightage देते हैं कि इसको 1 दे देते हैं, इसको रैंक 2 दे देते हैं, इसको 3 दे देते हैं, इसको 4 दे देते हैं. तो हम हर साल के प्रॉफिट्स को रैंक देते हैं, वेट देते हैं. Each year is assigned a weight. Now the goodwill will be weighted average profit multiplied with number of years purchased. The only change is instead of average profit there is weighted average profit. एवरेज प्रॉफिट्स की जगह क्या है? वेटेड एवरेज प्रॉफिट्स है. वेटेड एवरेज प्रॉफिट मल्टीप्लाई बाय नंबर ऑफ इयर्स परचेज. द ओनली चेंज इज कैलकुलेशन ऑफ वेटेड एवरेज प्रॉफिट. वेटेड एवरेज प्रॉफिट कैसे कैलकुलेट करने का है? सो द फॉर्मूला ऑफ वेटेड एवरेज प्रॉफिट इज total of product of profit. Total of product of profit divided by total of weights. We will divide the total of profit, total of product of profit by the total of weights. तो टोटल ऑफ प्रोडक्ट को डिवाइड कर देना है हमें टोटल वेट से. नाउ हमें क्या पता चलेगा कि टोटल ऑफ प्रोडक्ट क्या है? How we will find this total of product and total of weights? So let's see that how you will do this. Let's see a question for this. Y Limited proposed to purchase business carried on by Mr. A. Y Limited is purchasing the business of A. Goodwill for this purpose is agreed to be valued at 3-year purchase. The number of year purchase are given. They are 3. 3 year of purchase of weighted average profit. In the question, it will be given to you that which method to be used. क्वेश्चन में बताया गया होगा कि कौन सा मेथड यूज करना है. So, weighted average profits of the past 4 years. So, goodwill is equal to weighted average profits multiplied by number of year purchase. Number of year purchase is given. Now, we will find out weighted average profit. So, these are the 4 years. These are the 4 years. These are the profits of the years. 4 साल हैं, 4 साल के profit given है and weights are also given. That, just give me 1 minute. So, the weight for first year is 1. The weight for second year is 2. The weight for third year is 3. And the weight for fourth year is 4. These are the weights. Now we will find out the product. Now we will find out the product of the profits. So for finding out the product, make another column. Product का एक अलग से column बनेगा. Multiply the profits with the weight. Multiply the profits with the weight. 20,200 multiplied by 1. 24,800 multiplied by 2. 20,000 multiplied by 3. 30,000 multiplied by 4. These are the products of the years. ये product है. Now what we have to find out? Total of the product. Total of the product. Find out the total of the product and the total of the weight. The total of weight is 10 and the total of product is 2,49,800. Total of product we have find it out. Total of weight we have find it out. Now the last step. अब क्या करना है? अब सिर्फ हमें weighted average profit दे दो जल्दी से. Now we just have to find out weighted average profit. क्या find out करेंगे बच्चों? Weighted average profit कैसे करेंगे? Total of product. Total of product divided by total of weights. Total of product 2,49,800 divided by total of weight 10,010. So 2,49,800 divided by 10. Your weighted average profit is 24,980. 24,980. These are the weighted average profit. ये हमारे weighted average profit है. Now the last step, the main step, हमें goodwill find out करनी है. हमें business के नाम की value पता करनी है. Now we will find out the value of goodwill. So goodwill is equal to weighted average profit multiplied by number of year purchase. So 24,980 multiplied by 3 multiplied by number of year purchase. You will get the goodwill. So पहले क्या करो? Products find out करो. The first step, find out the product. Then find out the total of product and total of weight. Now we will find out the weighted average profit. Divide the total product by the total weights. We have weighted average profit. Now for the goodwill, multiply this weighted average profit with the number of year purchase. हम लोग क्या करेंगे? Weighted average profit जो हमने calculate करे हैं, उनको number of year purchase से multiply कर देंगे and this is your goodwill. 74,940 is the answer. 74,940 is the answer. Now, with this, we end the session for today, guys. With this, the session is completed. In this, we have completed average profit method and weighted average profit method. I request you all to please do the questions from your textbook of these two methods. अपनी books में से इन दो methods के cases questions करना, and if you are not able to solve them, then you can ask me for any help. So you have to do questions from textbook of this method. So with this, we end this session for today, guys. Now we'll see you all in the next session. Till then, stay tuned for the next session. We'll see you all with the next video, next session. Till then, if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please take a moment to subscribe this channel, like this video, and do share it with your friends and your family members. So go and subscribe it, like this video, and share this. And also, if you haven't joined the Telegram group yet, so go guys, join that group because I will be sharing all the PDFs, all the notes on this group. So you can join the group by the link in the chat box. There will be a link in the chat box. Go to that link and you can be added. You will be added to the Telegram group. So thank you everyone. Thank you so much for attending this session. I hope that you all like this session. So please give it a thumbs up and see you all in the next session. Till then, take care. Bye bye guys. Bye everyone.